Hi, this is Chika. I'm a Gohighlevel specialist, and in this video, I'll show you how I organize contacts using tags, smart lists, pipelines, and opportunities to help you manage your leads more effectively. And here is the contact dashboard where all the customers and leads are stored. And without proper organization, it quickly becomes overwhelming. So I use structured systems to manage them efficiently. So here I'll be adding a contact manually. So let's just give a first name as Ada, then the last name as Bean. And okay, phone number. Let me just give in a phone number. Let me just use this. So now I'll be tagging this customer as new lead. I can just create it from here. New lead. And this helps me to label this customer, of course. I will just create as new lead. Yeah, new lead. Yeah, so I'm going to create another contact. So I save. I can come here and pick that tag I just created. I created it as new lead. So I still pick that same tag. Yeah, so a contact can have more than one tag, and that's why we can now put them in smart lists. Smart lists help you to quickly filter this contacts based on whatever you're filtering it as. So now we can see those tags that tag we created here, new lead. So I'm going to go ahead to create a smart list for this tag. So I'm going to call the smart list new lead. So I can easily identify um, the clients or what tags I'm going to do with them. Going to just look for tags and I'll see when the tag is new lead. Yeah, this is the new lead here. Yeah, and I apply. Okay. The contacts, these are the contacts in this smart list. I added some other demo contacts. Yeah, and for the smart lists, we labeled it as new lead. And this smart list helps to filter contacts and helps to organize the CRM. So if I want to add them in a pipeline stage, I can add them to a pipeline stage, this four, and it helps me save time, and it also helps to know those contacts that you want to put in a particular pipeline. Then I created lead conversion pipeline for this, and I'll put them in stage new lead. All these things can be done manually and can also be done in automation. So I'm going to add an update opportunity. So these are those contacts with the tag new leads or move to this opportunity. And from here, I can also do anything. I can call this person here. I can view conversation. I can see the tag or even add more tags. I can also add a note if I want to write more details about this person. New lead gotten from form field form. This is just for practice. So to just give me more insight about this particular person. And I can also move them manually to different pipeline stages. I can move them manually, which I can also do that with automation as well, but I can also move them manually to different pipeline stages or even status, which is maybe lost, abandoned, one. That's if I'm selling a product or so I can also add opportunity. Yeah, let's just say for that being I'm adding an opportunity for this client. And this allows for better tracking and follow up. So this gives more insight about this client. Even from here, I can book appointments for this client, create staff, notes, payments. As you can see, everything works together. Tags, Smartlist, pipelines to create a well-structured system that improves lead management and conversion. So for this opportunity, it helps me track everything about this contact step by step. I can book an appointment here. For now, there's no appointment. I can create tags, add notes to just get more context about the client. And this helps my team focus on leads that are most likely to convert. We're now going to automate this process so that as soon as a contact is created and we know the source, that's why I created a form so that when the client or a contact fills this particular form, so now I have to narrow it down to the source so I can know where it's coming from. So when this form is submitted, the client will be tagged. So we tag that name, new lead, which I already picked here. Then also I create or update opportunity in that lead conversion pipeline. So yeah, I create it in that pipeline. And yes, of course, after doing that, I won't just leave the lead there laying and wondering what next is going to happen. I'd have to do something about the lead that was brought in. So now I send an outreach email. There's an outreach email I've already drafted here. I send an outreach email. Then any other tasks I'm supposed to do for this lead, yeah, I can now do it. I can also create another automation to continue nurturing this lead till they are a full-blown customer. So this is how I help businesses stay organized, save time, and close more deals. So if your CRM isn't working for you, I can help you fix that. Let's turn your leads into loyal customers with the right system in place.